An AP consists of 50 terms, of which the third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term of the arithmetic progression. Let's just remind ourselves the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic progression, general term of an arithmetic progression, is a plus n minus 1 into d, right? And like in this question, we've not been given the values of a and d, so we cannot directly find the 29th term. So first, let's find the value of a and d then. To do that, we've been given this information that the AP has 50 terms, third term is 12, and the last term is 106. So we know the third term is 12, which means T3 is equal to 12. Now T3 in terms of a and d can be written as a plus 2d, n minus 1, which would be 3 minus 1 will make it 2. So a plus 2d is equal to 12. This will be my first equation in a and d. The second equation we will get by the piece of information that's given here, which is so the AP consists of 50 terms and the last term is 106. So the last term is basically nothing but the 50th term. So I can say T50 is equal to 106. Now T50 in terms of a and d, the 50th term in terms of a and d can be written as a plus 49d, right? So because it's a plus n minus 1 into d, and so 50 minus 1 is 49, which is equal to 106. This is our second equation, right? Now I have my two equations with two linear equations with two unknowns. If I am to solve them linearly, I should get the values of a and d, and for doing that I will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. That's what I'm going to do, right? So let's do just that. So the equation number 2 is a plus 49d is equal to 106. From this I will be subtracting equation number 1, which is a plus 2d equal to 12, right? So now remember, when we are subtracting, the equation below, the signs of the terms there will change. So it's plus a becomes minus, plus 2 becomes minus 2d, and plus 12 becomes minus 12, right? I'm sorry, as you can notice, this is a minus a, so these two terms will get cancelled. It is 49d plus, 49d minus 2d, so that is 47d. 106 minus 12, which is 94, right? So 47d is equal to 94, so 47 multiplication on this side becomes division. 94 upon 47 is 2, so therefore I can say d is equal to 2, right? Now I need to find the value of a as well, so let's substitute d is equal to 2 in equation number 1. It's easier to solve smaller numbers, right? So by that I get a plus 2d, so a plus 2, and instead of d I get 2 again, so a plus 2 and 2 is equal to 12. If I solve this equation, I should get the value of a. So as I can see, this becomes a plus 2 into 2 is 4 is equal to 12, plus 4 on this side becomes minus on the other side. This gives me the value of a as 8. Alright, now I have the value of a and the value of d. I want to find the 29th term of the AP, right? So the 29th term, okay? So the 29th term, T29, is equal to a plus 28d, right? N minus 1, so 29 minus 1 makes 28. I have the value of a and d, so let's just plug those values in. I know a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 2. So if I solve this, 28 into 2 is 56. 56 plus 8 will give me 64. So T29, or the 29th term, is 64. This is my final answer. So I can say therefore the 29th, now let's use a brown color, 29th term is 64. Right, this is my final answer. No, the brown rectangle.